Ben, yeah, a wonderful performance. How does it feel to be top of the qualifying group tonight?
Yeah, it's a great feeling. It's the situation we wanted to be in at the start of the group, and I think with the performance we put in, we deserve the 3 points.
Is that your best performance so far under Chris Coleman as a team?
Yeah, I think so. I think we knew exactly what we were doing, every single one of us, and we proved how good a team we are tonight.
How much did you enjoy playing as a back three tonight with Ashley Williams and James Collins?
Yeah, I think it was great. I think especially against the way that they played, it suited us to a T, and I think we really proved that we were solid, and I don't think they really threatened us once, really.
And the star of the show is certain Gareth Bale.
Yeah, it's no surprise really. We see what he can do every single day, and we set up a platform to get him on the ball as much as we can, and when he does and he gets the space, he delivers for us.
The criticism in Madrid doesn't seem to have affected his performances?
No, not one bit. I think he's a confident player, and I think tonight's performance will hopefully have silenced a few critics.
Top of the group, 11 points. Do you feel you've got 1 foot in the finals in France next year?
No, it's a long way away yet. It's been a great start to the group for us, and we've got to really kick on from here and take advantage of the situation we're in.
And a huge game against Belgium in June.
Definitely, it's another one we're going into full of confidence, and hopefully we can get a result there.
Ben, diolch yn fawr iawn a da iawn heno.
No problem.